Hello everyone, today I want to have a look at the project Sharpe Capital, which is pretty exciting, and review what is Sharpe Capital and what they are doing, right? Let's go to sharpecapital.com, and there's many things to say. This is a pretty exciting company. So Sharpe Capital is a new era of capital markets. The idea of it is you can earn Ethereum for your predictions on equity markets and other blockchain assets. So I think it will be many different cryptocurrencies. And there is a small video which you can definitely have.
Analysts and traders are constantly trying to anticipate each other's perception of the market.
The problem is that they want to to make the outcome of your trading more profitable, and by commenting positive or neutral or based on some news outcome, you will earn Ethereum. So why do they need it? Basically the question is, and they are making kind of a neural networks for analyzing public opinions and how it will affect on the future value of the asset of probably stock market. And as you can see, I found picture of like Apple stock, your Pocket, Dell, and other cryptocurrencies. So for example, the news came about Apple, about their annual return. It was really good, so everyone is writing comments how they liked the report. They got big dividends, so there is everything positive, and basically that's good then to buy Apple shares because it showed a really good statement, like an annual statement or any other statement. So the platform, everything will be based on smart contract, and sure it will be on Ethereum blockchain if they're paying Ethereum. So they're saying that fundamental analysis is probably better than technical analysis, and they are going to analyze micro and macroeconomics, as I said before, based on different news. So it's kind of intelligence for stocks and crypto markets. I think there will be like an application to leave your feedback and comments, and with those the market will be analyzed, and I think all those fundamental analysis from the team will be added. Everything will be based on cloud mining service, as the scaling is cheaper and expenses is very important in this business. All these commissions and all this stuff, and those cloud mining Amazon service will allow them to make it cheaper. Probably they got some partnership with them, I'm not really sure. So what I really liked is that they have raised already, if I'm correct, they had a pre-ICO where they raised more than $10 million, and the hard cap is $20 million, and there was also a whitelist, and it was full, saying that all the people will buy all the tokens. And currently, as I understand, you can still participate. They opened it for other people who have not been in the whitelist. So, and you can invest starting with 1 Ethereum. I think the minimum is 1 Ethereum, but or maybe there is no minimum. Here it is. Minimum is 0.34, so it's about $100 the minimum. And 1 Ethereum is 2,100 SHP. This is the token abbreviation, which will be later on the exchanges. And more you're willing to purchase, more tokens you'll get. So roughly the bonus is up to 20%. And on the pre-sale, the minimum investment was $10,000, and quite a lot of people have invested. So as I said, this is an artificial neural networks. There is huge analysis analyzing how they're doing it. What I liked about the roadmap is that, first of all, they're releasing the alpha version already in 27 days, and afterwards they're growing the team to London, and only afterwards they're already in Q3 introducing mobile app launch, and afterwards there will be sentiment license fees from both traders and crypto funds. According to the tokens, if I'm correct, there is 50% going to the token sale itself, to the ICO contributors, 20% is going to the development, 10 is a reserve fund, 10 is marketing, and 5% is lawyers, and so on. If I'm correct, they got a really long white paper of 55 pages. This is very technical. I have read a little bit of it, but it's really hard to understand. All is in English, basically very technical English. So if your language is native language is not English, you might a little bit struggle. I'm not sure if they got any more white papers in different languages. By the way, they are partners with Skin, Bitcoin Swiss, and Trust Fund. I think they've been raising money for Bitcoin Swiss, as I understand, and Trust Token is probably an investor into the project. By the way, this guy is not a financial advisor, this is just for educational purposes. And their company is located in Hong Kong, and they already got, by the way, really huge core team. Louis Barber is a co-founder and CEO, he's technology leader, and they got another co-founder, mathematical model expert, research scientist at University of Oxford. So their team is like a legend. They got Dmitry as an advisor, co-founder of TAS. They got really lots of people in here. Surely they need someone in intelligent trading technologies who is good at it. They got legal counsel, researcher from Berkeley. So the team is really top people. And yeah, hitting the white paper is loaded. It's 55 pages, guys. If you're looking to invest into the project, definitely look into that. By the way, here it is. Minimum was pre-sale discounts. 10k was a minimum investment, but right now it's open to the public, and I said the minimum is about $100 roughly. They are very open in Telegram group. You're welcome to join them. I have asked them a few questions. The Telegram group is about 1,000 people, and they got very active Twitter account. They recently announced a partnership with Banco. The team is open, as you see on different presentations. It was fintech, so the team is really open, and they're sharing lots of stuff on their Twitter, such as their whitelist is not full, made partnership with TAS, and lots of different other things. So this was a review of the Sharpe Capital. If if you've been interested in this review, hit like, subscribe, comment. I'm happy to answer any of your questions, and see you in the next video. Bye.